right, so now we're going to work on the switchblade kick. So if I'm throwing a lot of switch kicks, okay, getting my opponent biting on those, getting my opponent to react to those switch kicks, whether it's switch round kick, switch side kick, okay? So as I do that, and I'm switching, I'm catching my opponent backing straight up, I am going to side kick. Now, I don't want to throw a lot of power in this. The next technique is the one that's going to catch him with power. So as I switch, okay, that side kick, I want to chamber. I kind of like to bring the side kick just up, kind of pushing him back. And as this hip switches, my right takes his place, here to here. Okay, very hard to do slow, but I'll give it a better shot. Let's see that again. I'm here, all right? I am going to hop into that, okay? And as soon as I hop into this, I'm switching my hips. Let me show you straight on. All right, here's the side kick. I'm gonna throw it low, and this switches to my side kick or back kick, okay? From here, okay, to here. Again, I can go back kick. So if I'm here, I just push it right back. So the concept of this is very, very difficult for your opponent to read because I'm throwing Muay Thai techniques, the switch kicks, and I'm following it up with a Tae Kwon technique, and I'm using that switch footwork to fake them out. Very impressive technique. I hope you give it a shot. A lot of power, great for opponents that are just backing straight up.